Big numbers are Lego blocks. Stack them up. 11, 11, 10 plus 1. Need you 22 times 10. Stack the blocks and count again. Count to 100, pay in yen. 11 is due plus each 10, 1. 12 is due, need 10 to done. No new word, just stack and say. Japanese numbers work this way. 11, 20, 30. Stack the blocks, the numbers grow. 20 is niju, 2 tens. 50 is goju, 5 tens friends. 99, kyuju, 9 tens and 9. Look at you. 100, 100, the golden goal. And the yen, the coin you hold. 100 yen, 100 yen. Count your coins and count again. 10, 20, 50, 110, 20, 50, 100. Lego numbers, stack and say. You can count your yen today. 100 yen. Next, what day is it? Get your